In today's video, I'll be showing you how the Google Pixel 8 Pro looks like. So what you want to do is just lift up the top cover, and the first thing that you should see is your brand new Google Pixel. So as you can see, I purchased mine in black, and there are other colors you can get, but for this video, as you can see, mine is in black. You'll also notice it has a screen protector, so we'll just wait before removing that. You'll also notice that you have a USB Type to Type-C data cable and a charging cable as well. So you have that, and you also have a Type-A to Type-C adapter. So if you have any flash disks or HDD, you can just connect using this. And here at the top, you'll see some documents pertaining to the phone, and you'll also notice that when you squeeze out like this, that the SIM ejector tool is inside, right there. So yeah, that's how the phone looks like and all its components. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.